Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When creating a new layer within the New Layer dialog box, you have the option of using the Color drop-down to assign a color tag to the layer that then appears in the Layers panel. Doing this lets you organize layers using a color coding system you create. For example, you could color all the adjustment layers using the red color so you can easily spot adjustment layers in the Layers panel. However, after creating the layer, you may want to change the color of a layer or remove its color coding. To do this, right-click the layer to color code within the Layers panel. You can then click the name of the color coding to apply to the layer from the choices shown at the bottom of the pop-up menu. Note that you can select the No Color choice to remove color coding from the layer that you right-clicked.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.